everyone, Dan here. Today we're diving into Minecraft's Copper Age update, version 1.221.9. Minecraft keeps evolving, and this update is a true game changer for builders and automation fans. Copper finally gets its moment to shine, with new uses, tools, armor, and even a friendly mob. Whether you're a new player or a veteran, there's something here for you. We'll meet the Copper Golem, explore new gear, and see how copper transforms over time. Plus, we'll check out technical improvements that make the game smoother than ever. Grab your pickaxe and get ready. This is the Copper Age. Let's jump in and see what makes this update so special. The Copper Golem is the star of this update. A buildable, friendly mob. Craft him with a copper block and a carved pumpkin, and he'll wander your base, sorting items for you. He picks up items from copper chests and places them in matching regular chests, making storage a breeze, no redstone required. Over time, he oxidizes, changing from shiny orange to green and slowing down as he ages. If he fully oxidizes, he freezes into a decorative statue, but you can revive him with an axe. Wax him with honeycomb to keep him shiny and fast, or let him age for unique decoration. Statues can be posed and even emit different redstone signals, adding character to your builds. The Copper Golem is both useful and fun, bringing life and automation to your world. Build a team of them for the ultimate organized base. It's a fantastic way to add personality and function to your Minecraft creations. The Copper Age brings a full set of copper armor and tools, perfect for early to mid-game. Copper armor sits between leather and iron for protection, with great durability and a unique look as it oxidizes. Copper tools are stronger and faster than stone, lasting much longer for mining and building. Copper chests are key for golem sorting and add a stylish oxidizing storage option. New decorative blocks, copper bars, chains, torches, and lanterns let you build with industrial flair. Copper horse armor gives your steed solid protection, matching iron's toughness. The new shelf block lets you display your favorite items in style. Copper is now a must-have resource for both function and aesthetics. This update makes copper essential for every builder and adventurer. Copper's oxidation is a game changer. Blocks shift from orange to green in 4 stages, adding depth to your builds. All new copper items, from chests to golems, age naturally, letting you create stunning gradients and weathered effects. Want to freeze a block's look? Wax it with honeycomb to lock in your favorite stage. Change your mind? Use an axe to remove wax or scrape off oxidation for a fresh start. Lightning can even reverse oxidation, adding surprises to your world. This system gives you total control over your copper's appearance. Build roofs, statues, or machines that evolve over time, or stay pristine forever. Oxidation and waxing make copper the most dynamic building material in Minecraft. Your world now tells a story block by block. The Copper Age isn't just about new blocks, it brings major technical upgrades. Spawn chunks are gone. Now, only active areas stay loaded, boosting performance, especially on servers. Entity and particle rendering is optimized, so big farms and raids run smoother. Quality of life improvements include chat drafts, a cleaner debug screen, and new accessibility options. Sound previews and better die icons make the game more user-friendly for everyone. These changes let you build bigger, more complex worlds with less lag. The Copper Age update is a perfect blend of creativity and performance. Minecraft's future looks brighter and shinier than ever.